Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Holden Captiva 7 SX, stock reference number 5370. The shape runs from the first month 2011 through to the 6th month 2018. It has an LE9 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LE9 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, appears to have no damage. Both left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door has one tiny dent, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, left hand tail light, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate has one small dent. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, electric handbrake type, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type and sunroof type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.